Hey yo, web traveler, we're opening out the store again. Let's go. That's 101 box, which is numbered freaking 12. We're just gonna start it. But before that, a quick announcement. I love you so much. Thank you for clicking on this video and supporting me. So we can get free SER cards, and that's the highest rarity. Let's see what my luck today is. I'm gonna shuffle the packs. Is this Fate or Violet Evergarden? I think it's Saber. We're gonna find out. Maybe. Don't know. Maybe we pull her. Maybe we don't. Let's see. We have a cute chicken. We got Saber right away, man. Okay, Saber. Yes, thank you. That's awesome. I love it. Okay. What the fuck is she doing? What is this? Is this part of her hairstyle? That's a cute elf lady. Don't know the animal, and we got the SR. I'm gonna display Saber just because I like Saber. That's cute. She's showing me that I'm a loser or something. What the fuck? I've seen this card before. It's from the previous set, right? Yeah, in S11. Okay. Which is alright. They do it. I don't know why, but we got an SAR. What the fuck? I'm pulling them like up my ass last time. I don't know why. Are they not that rare or something? I don't know why, but God of Story always like makes a new set with, for example, like 10 new R cards. But maybe just to, you know, to feel it more, especially for new ones, for the people who skip a few sets, you're gonna get more new cards, right? For the people who buy every set, it'd be a few doubles, because they do like 10 new R cards and 10 from the previous sets. I don't know how to feel about it. I don't mind it that much, because the all hit cards are like the super shiny ones are new, so that's really the important part. Also, there are a lot of new characters that I don't know. I think I need to keep up my anime game. That's quintessential quintuplets. Can't read that, but I'm pretty sure it is. Okay, alright, haven't seen this. That's our first SSR. Also, I don't remember how many SSR. I think like something 7 or 8 or so. I thought she was holding the gun, because there's this gun there, but she's not, because there are her arms. Okay, let me know in the comments which anime is that, because she looks awesome. I only want to watch it because of her. Nice. Okay. The art style is familiar. It's a turtle. The turtle. I don't fucking know who that is. Do I even say that? Because every one of these characters, I don't know. And I've seen this Chikuruni, respectfully, but I haven't seen the anime. So, okay. The double. Okay, sorry, I skipped one, but it was the double anyway, so it doesn't matter. Okay. Cool. 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 Hey, that's SSR. Hey, that's Bleach. That doesn't happen too often. And I don't know why. Bleach have a lot of waifus. They're good. So, guys, how you been? How your anime game? Do you watch a lot of them or not? Gridman, sure. Didn't enjoy it that much. Let me know in the comments if you're watching something right now, if you think it's good. And I should also watch it. Ooh, we have a little bit of sexy action going on here. With a little bit of lag. Very nice. Hey, that's what's it called? Fuck. Steins Gate. It doesn't called fuck. I don't know why. Alright. That's Slime Animal. Reincarnated as a slime. Cool. Cute. Also don't see that often. Which is nice. It's with Magica girls. Pretty sure. So thank you, God of Story, for including the characters that are not that often included. It feels refreshing. Because we have a lot of Love Live, we have a lot of sword art, almost every freaking box. Fate is also in every freaking box, but that of I'm not complaining, I love Fate, and there are a lot of different characters that you can do. Damn, nice. I love the like colors, the blue and the yellow. Looks very cool together. No way. Is it? Is it Rin Tosaka? Because from the looks of it, and why, like, you have the ponytails, you have the hair, you have the eyes, which are blue, you have these things, which are not looking like they should, but also the dress doesn't look like it should. But if that's an altered version or just like some, I don't know, reimagination of the character, it can be possible, because there's like red and black, and the skirt, I believe that's like some part of the skirt. It can be Rin Tosaka. Is it? Fuck, I can't read that. Albedo, very cool. A little bit of shit there on the card. Don't like that, but it's R, so we'll probably get more. What the fuck, man? So Overlord, yes, I know I watched at the back, because I know which anime that is. But we got another SAR. How? How am I pulling this shit off? There are only 3 in this whole set, and I already got 2, which are different. So thank God for that. I hate doubles of the high rarity. That's something I really get depression from. Okay, we've seen this, so I think that's from the previous set. Yes, it is. Okay, all right. All the doubles, we've seen all of this. That looks very different from what I'm usually getting. And I'm not hating, that's nice. I love when the God story spice things up. So they change in what the rarities are, like adding new rarities, but also, yeah, Dragon Maid, let's go, what's up? But also like, hey, 2 CR cards in 1. That is Kagurui, I think, if I pronounce it correctly, which is cool anime. But spicing things up in God story, adding like more hits in a box, more rarities. Hey, Kill la Kill, awesome. Dude, that's fucking awesome. Also, haven't even seen her once, I think. And Kill la Kill isn't that often in God story, but this character of Kill la Kill definitely not. Thank you for that. That's freaking amazing. Power, cool. So yeah, keeping the God story fresh is, I think, it's a difficult task. But it's definitely possible. And I think the Little Frog Company is doing their best and in somewhat succeeding it. In some ways, they're not. Like, for example, 10-1 box, I don't feel like I'm opening a 10-1 box anymore. I don't know why. I mean, I know why, but there's different reasons for that, which wasn't the case previously. But the other boxes, they really evaluated them, which is like achievement on its own. And that's a cool SSR. I think I need to watch this anime because I see a lot of this chick and she looks awesome. Can I just cry a little bit to you? Damn! Yeah, that's also the one that you don't see that often, but considering how not popular this anime is, you see it a few times, so that's cool. Thank you. Also, there's, like, for me, yeah, Demon Slayer, let's go. Awesome. Very love the butterflies and the color choice. Purple, like dark blue. Amazing. Awesome. Also, in the sun, man. In the sun, it looks just so impressive. It becomes more difficult for me to comment on these cards because there's a challenge of knowing the characters, which I always fail. So I'm not about that, you know. I'm about emotions, the experience that I want to give you guys, to show it to you. But it becomes more difficult to because how often did I see Asuka now? So or Asuna? God damn it. See, knowing the characters, I told you I failed this one. Doesn't matter how often did we see her as a character opening God story. The answer is pretty often. And then we have this, which I don't know who that is. And also the same story with this, and the same story with that. And then we have an SR, which looks very cute and awesome. But like, I don't know, what can I say about it? It's cute. And that's everything what I say. But someone who knows the character is gonna be, oh my god, that's Kitagawa Maring. You're right, that's it. And also English. It's also very difficult to speak it, you know. No, I'm not complaining about English. That's fine. Very nice art style. Love it. Okay, 4. 4 times the Steins Gate, babe. But what I was getting at is just sometimes things repeat itself, although it's a different picture of different set or something entirely different, but the vibes, you know, the vibes are the same. So I can't like give you the new reaction or new emotion. And I hate myself for it because, boy, look at that. She's hella sexy here. Damn, son. Looks very inviting, not gonna lie. Don't think we have seen her, so that's cool. Just for a second I thought it was Rin Tosuka, but besides the freaking like hair color, eye color and red dress thingy, it's not that much. It's, oh my god, it's lovely. I failed my skill, my detection skill. I got rusty. Because before that, always I could have told you when it was a love leaf, like this one. No, it isn't. Okay, see? It would be epic if it was, right? So I took my gamble and I lost it. But that's because they like included love leaf in each set, which was annoying. Like this is probably, it's not love leaf, but it's same kind of show, I suppose. Hey, another SSR. Damn, that looks artsy. I love it. This was the silent pack opening with TCG Comrade. Okay. What the fuck? Let's go! Woo! Okay. Damn. I mean, this box surprised me with characters that I don't see that often. With mix of characters that I see it. But that freaking JoJo? For real? I know they have only like 2 cards in whole goddess story. Like, I don't know how many boxes are there in total. Like, probably already like 40 boxes, so between 30 and 30. There are only 2 JoJo cards that I am aware of. And they're difficult to get. Because they're high rarity. This one is so nice. Also very beautiful. Really, I'm in love with the art style of JoJo, and this is executed so well. The real question is, can I get another SER and complete the set of those cards? Okay, cute, cool. Seen the animal. Don't remember shit about it. Maybe I can, maybe I can't. We will find out in a bit, because I have only 2 packs left. And that is a Fate SSR. That's better than SER, so thank you for giving me that. Jean Dawn, last pack. Let's see. I don't even remember pulling this, but I might have seen her, I don't know. And we got an SR, so alright. That's a very good haul, I would say. I think a lot of cool cards, which I do like. Guys, thank you for watching, and I see you in another one, Web Travelers.